go, let it go, let it go. You know the plan is to get that mower out firstly, and we'll just try and drag it backwards. Lure the croc around the other side because he's dropped two monstrous teeth whilst he attacked the mower, and then we'll get those teeth out. Good. The teeth have actually come out when he's bitten the mower. Oh, we wouldn't leave them in the bottom. Just wouldn't leave them in the pool. And they're abnormally large. Our old crocodile, Eric, had teeth that were half the size of this. We're not sure why they're so big. And look at that next to an arm.